Hello friends, good morning. Today in our Zoho Books, we will see how to bulk update price list or maybe from existing price list, how we can create a new one. So let's say I have a couple of price list in my current setup. One is the volume based pricing, another one is, directly single 20%, marked down. So if I open this price list, you can see a volume based price is applied over here. So we have to give start and end quantity with our custom rate, and based on that a discount will be applied. This is our standard sales rate which is coming from our old product, and this price list I can see a lot of variants are available in this price. So I want to update this price list. So over here you can see import price list items available. Once you enable, you can export this entire list over here. Once that list is made available to you, you can simply put the minimum quantity rule if you want to give a quantity based price. So let's say up to this I want to give the quantity rule, and then over here I want to give a quantity rule of 5. So these are my quantity rule, and here I don't want to give any end quantity, otherwise this will stop and the regular price will apply beyond that. And here is my the new price list rate, which can override this, or maybe I can give anything like it's 240 for all. If I am giving this, let's see, and then for this item it will remain same, then again 250, this will become 12,500, this will become 15,000, this will 20,000, and rest I am keeping 250 only for all my items. So these are few variants I have which I am keeping like this. And here is the discount which I want to offer to my customer. Let's say I want to keep 10% discount to all. I drag, and this price list is ready. So this price list, now what I will do, I will import it directly to update my existing price list. So over here you can see import items is available. I'm directly saving this, and hence now you can see all my prices which was given there is updated over here with my respective price line items. So this is so easy, you can do this very quickly over here. So update rate in bulk is done. Now if I want to create a new price list from my existing one, let's say I'm giving a name over here, and what I will do, I will just remove this particular column, and over here let's say I'm giving the same 5 units as a bare minimum quantity in my new price list. Then over here I want to update it to 20% each. So this price list now I want to import as a fresh. So over here now I am going here, creating a new special discount, and it will be on individual basis. Okay. So I want to import the price list from this sheet and saving this. So it is saying there are duplicate entries for item mobile cover type 1. So if I go and check, so it is asking me to unify this mobile cover type 1 where it is saying duplicating. So I am removing right now those items. and then saving this particular Excel, going back here and importing again. So over here also you can see L rate. So these all items where I have quantity based rule, I'm removing right now to make it import compatible. Once it is done, my new price list will be ready over here. Now you can see an individual item over here will work. If I enable volume based pricing, then my volume based price will be enabled. So let's say if I am creating new volume based new price list. So individual volume based price, and save this. I am again going to import this particular price list. So volume based new price list will be made available with my start quantity very easily, with whatever discount rate I've given in the same sheet can be updated very easily. So this is how Zoho Books gives us an easy way to create a new price list from existing one or update the existing price list very easily via Excel and CSV files. If you have any query, reach out to us on techvaria.com or on YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.